How to use open till. When you click on this button in our POS, we have three functions. We have change to add in new change, add to add more money into the drawer, and drop to take out money from the drawer. Our drawer will not open unless we process a transaction and something is printed out from the printer. Then the drawer would open. To open the drawer, to count money at the beginning of your shift, you hit open till, hit change, and then you hit open and print. It will print out the exact amount that we have in drawer. When you hit print, let's say we choose a printer, and then you hit print, a report will be printed out from our receipt printer and the drawer will open. We keep track of our money by the number of bill. In drawer we have right now is 70 of $1. We have 2 bill of $5. We have 4 bill of $10, and we have 9 of 20. So always make sure the total of bills that we have for each